Everybody knows I live in a Hispanic neighborhood, but let me tell you what I've observed over the last 6 years of living in a Hispanic neighborhood. For one thing, family is everything. Family is everything over here. Like, I see a lot of small businesses popping up, whether it's, mechanic work. These guys are working on each other's cars, bringing their, friends and family over. They're having huge barbecues, carne asada in the front yard. They got, smoke and drink going and everything. Family is everything. Never animosity, never fights. Food trucks all over the neighborhood. Every time you go there, all the tables are filled with families and friends and they support each other so heavy, so heavy. And I look at how we, as a black community, we go to our neighborhoods and we see each other sitting, on power boxes outside of the street, mad dogging each other, mad that somebody's got something that we may not have. We don't want to support each other's business, but we'll always go and ask for a discount. Hey, can I get, a discount because I'm your cousin? Can I get a discount because I'm your friend? Instead of just supporting them at full price. Whether it's a catering business, a cooking business, a mechanic business, a painting business, like something. It could be a consultant business. The first thing we should do is support each other. Like I said, I've been living over here for 6 years, and all I've seen is support. You see everybody sharing. When I see one person, with a small business, the uncle is a cook. The mom is the chef. She's in the back cooking up the recipes and everything. The brother's working the cash register. The sister is out making customer service and everything. And you can ask who owns the business, and they're like, well, we all do. Even though their name all might not be on it, but they all support each other. They all take ownership in the success of it. And I think we don't want to see somebody else successful in our family, more successful than what we are, so we don't take ownership in their business. We won't support it. We don't call it ours. We don't look at that family member as being somebody who's going to elevate all of us. But the moment one of us makes it, one of us does something, everybody who didn't support you comes around all of a sudden. They never bought a single plate from you. They never bought a single shirt from you. They never used your mechanic services. They never used your tax services. They've never done anything with you, knowing that they were your family. But the moment you hit it, they're one of the first people in line. Hey, what up, cuz? What up, fam? What up, sis? You know how it is. But then when you sit back and you go, man, I've been working on this for 5-6 years, man. I ain't seen you in a minute, man. I've been building this. Yeah, man, I see you doing good. I see you got a nice little ride, man. I saw you on the internet, man. I see you opening up a new location, man. What's up? Your little cousin looking for a job. You know what I'm saying? Of course. But when I was on the ground, building, trying to come up, where was the little cousin at? When I had nothing, when I didn't have this nice car, when I was taking Uber and Lyft to work, when I was taking out loans just to make payroll, where was that little cousin at? But now that something's going somewhere, something's built, something's big, now little cousin need a job. Little cousin want to get like you, man. Little cousin want to ride in the car like you, man. Little cousin want to open up a little spot like, of course. Because everybody wants to come around when they see the success. But nobody wants to come around when they see the stress. Running your own business is very stressful. A lot of people around who are complete strangers will give you more support than your own friends and family will. They'll see you as somebody who they say, man, you are inspirational, man. I love your life story, bro. You came from that, and this is what you doing now? Man, I need to tell my family about this, man, because I swear, man, we been looking for a way to get up and going, man. I ain't know you was down like that, and you came up like this. But yet your own family look at you, they take you for granted. The friends around you who known you for years, they take you for granted. They see how far you've come because they knew you when you was at the bottom. Now they see you getting something instead of us saying, hey, man, good job. Nice doing that, man. I'm going to come support you, man. I see you getting to somewhere. I see you taking it most serious. They get further and further away from you. They don't want to see you succeed because they've been talking shit behind your back the whole time. They don't want to see you climb to the top because they've been trying to keep you at the bottom where they at the whole time. But the moment you make it at the top and they need something, hey, man, I'm short on rent. Hey, man, I'm short on my car note. Hey, man, I may not make the power bill. Can you slide me 800, man? I'll get you back Friday when my check come through. You would never see that check. Thing is, they ain't seen you in 4-5 years. But now they're going to come around when they need something. They're going to be gone for another 4-5 years with your $800. Oh, you going to ask me for it now? Since you're going to ask me for it, I ain't going to give it to you. You never planned on giving it to me. Because that's how friends and family really are. When you out there really struggling, really getting your business up and going, the first people that should support you is your families, your true friends. Those are the first people who should be passing your name around, knowing what you do. Those are the first people who should say, hey, before you do that, check out my cuz. Check out my friend. Hey, you flying out there? Check out my cuz. Check out my friend. Are you looking for somebody to cater your wedding? Check out my cuz. Check out my friend. That's the first thing friends and family should be saying. But they don't. Oh, man, congratulations on the wedding. You know what I'm saying? Who catering it? Oh, man, I heard they nice, man. I heard they nice. Instead of saying, oh, you know what? You should get my cousin to cater it. She does catering. You know what I'm saying? Here's some of her pictures. Here's her phone number. Check it out. Nobody does that for friends and families. But yet, like I said, I've been living in this Mexican neighborhood for 6 years. All I see is success around me. I see them pull up in a beat up Chevy Silverado. A year later, they got a brand new Dodge Ram. I see them pulling up in a little beat up Altima, little beat up Camry. Next thing they come around in a nice used Lexus, a nice used Mercedes. Because they supporting each other. They helping each other get successful. They seeing the stressful part of what it feels like to be at the bottom. And they're like, hey, man, we all gonna rise up. We family. Hey, we got a job coming up. Let me hire you, man. I'm gonna hire my own cousin. I'm gonna hire my brother. Come work for me, man. It's like that over here. I've seen it. I've seen construction companies being built from somebody's driveway. I've seen HVAC companies being built from somebody's backyard, all in my neighborhood. And I sit and I say, how come the hood can't be like this? Why can't the hood where I come from be like this? Because we look at each other and we see each other with a nice car. Oh, he think he got a nice little car. He think he gonna be pulling some hoes, man. Oh, he got a nice little pair of shoes, huh? You see all the videos of we trying to kill each other over shoes inside the store. Trying to jack each other inside the store for the shoes. The videos are going out. Little young black men trying to jack other black men for shoes in 2025 like it's 1985 or something. It's like, bro, it's so much way you can make money out there. You don't need to steal nobody's shoes. You can ask, bro, hey, man, what you do to get them shoes, man? Like, you got a job? You do some internet stuff? You got a little company you want to work? Because I'm looking for a job, man, because, hey, I want to wear some shoes like that, too. But instead, we take from each other. We try to take from each other, and we never make it nowhere because we always on the defense, fighting to keep what we got, or either fighting to take what somebody else got. Instead of saying, you know what? Let's all come together real quick, man. What do you do for a living? This is what I do for a living. I'll go out and market, and then when you do the phase 1, I'll do the phase 2. We're helping each other out, man. Thing is, I see it every day around me in this Mexican neighborhood, every day around me. I go to my own hood. I don't even feel love like that. I don't even feel love like that. See, I'd rather roll down and get it out the way. Hop up in the beam, be about my day. Spotify to play. My little brother X, he the coolest MC with my hands free deck. Much love and respect to the rappers I name. I spared it out of love, ain't about that fame. It's a whole new game with these young whippersnappers. They all around campus, stepping like cappers, rapping on masters, bachelor's degree. All my old heads in the place to be. We get down. 11-11 crown. We royal and we brown. We the ones that get the kids in the pyramids, biz being built from the ground. I like how that sounds. Right turn right now. Left turn top down. We out.